Weihai is known for some its popular attractions, which include Weihai International Beach, which is one of the most tourist area. Weihai is located in Shandong province along the east coast of China. It's about 1.5 hours by high-speed train from the famous city of Qingdao. So follow me along, let me share my experience in this beautiful city. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Foreigner. On today's video, I'm in Weihai, the city of beach. This is a small city in China close to Qingdao. That's a Shandong province. So I will give you guys a good tour of my hotel and the beach. I'm at the beach now, and I will give you guys a city tour of Weihai. So you ready? Let's go. This is Weihai city center, one of the most convenient and reliable places to visit when you come to Weihai. At first, here is the mall, and this is Luckin Coffee. Yeah, you can see it here. This is a Luckin Coffee. This place, people come here to buy different types of coffee, as you can see. And there are some snacks here that you can buy and enjoy. And there are a lot of cars here parked to show you that it is very convenient. And this is KFC. Wow. I know you guys know KFC. Pizza, burger, Coke, chicken, and different types of snacks. This is the playing ground for children, for kids, to buy for your kids. While here is daily bread, and here is June's place where you can buy drinks, same as here. Here is Auntie Jenny. This is a place where Chinese people sell local food. And here is a Subway open here. These are types of drinks, June's, orange, anyone you want. While here is a playing ground for children. In the night when you come here, you see a lot of kids coming here to play. And the amazing thing is, this place is a Starbucks coffee. It's very popular in China, and people from Western, from different places can enjoy this place when they arrive. This is the playing ground, and here is the place where beds are being sold, and the owner is taking care of them. Wow. This is MI branch, and the other side is the iPhone branch, where you can buy different types of iPhones, like iPad. Yeah, it is precisely for iPads, and here for MI. Yeah, MI is a Chinese brand. Yeah, and here is a parking space. Here too is Esquire's coffee. I don't know if I pronounce it very good, but here too is a coffee. And this is Coco. Coco is a place where you can buy different types of drinks, you can see. But normally the drinks, chocolate and everything, it has a very good taste. So Chinese people like it very much. While here is KTV, where you can watch different types of dramas. And at last, this is Burger King. You can see it here. Burger King too is very popular. This place is very convenient. And the funny thing is that since I came to the city, I never see any foreigner, whether African or Western. And the city is very beautiful. It's a small city behind Qingdao. Close to Qingdao, yeah. Small city in Qingdao, which means Shandong province. So as a foreigner, when you want to chill, or you want to explore, or you want to have drink or anything, this street is for you. So I'll catch you guys in another location. Let's go. Yeah, this is the building 3. This is my hotel. So how it works in China is, when you come to the hotel, uh, it is hotel inside a hotel. You understand? This is like a desk where you ask questions. Inside this building, there are like 5 to 4 hotels. So sometimes finding address, it will be very hard because they will give you the address of the hotel decks, name of the hotel, but normally the building is not the hotel name. So when you come, you will ask these people, they will direct you to the floor of your hotel, and then you enter the lift. So my hotel is at floor 8. So we go in there. So this is the floor 8. Now here is the hotel decks. These are the rooms. And here is like what do you call it? It's a place where you can enjoy and just like have a good view, just have a fresh air. So these are the rooms. So yeah, this is the place where you're gonna keep your keys. And here is the mirror part. This is the bed. And like this is a small drawer. So this is a view. From here you can see the beach. Yeah, you can see the beach from here. Yeah, this is the Weihai International. Yeah, so here is like a mirror. In the morning, if you want to brush, and then this is the mirror. And here is a drawer. And here is a bathing room. And then this is the main toilet. So yeah, this room cost me $80 per night, and it is very close to the beach. So let me know what you guys think about it. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys at the beach. Let's see what we have there. Alright, so usually from my hotel to the beach it's not very far, so just like I take a walk to go there. So I'll take you guys together. Let's explore this beautiful beach. It is called Weihai. This is my hotel. It is called Weihai International Beach, and you can see a lot of cars are parked. I don't have idea why these cars are parked here. Wow. So these people are not afraid whether someone might come and touch your car, whether anything like. They are very safe to park their car at any way they like. So there are many constructions going on in this side, but it's not yet completed, and the project seems to be very interesting. These buildings you see, these 3 buildings have the same design, in order to make, because there is a beach close by, so they want to make some activities for people that come to enjoy and have a good view. So anyways, I'm on my way to the beach, and I'll catch you guys at this beach, one of the most interesting beach and calmless beach we have in China. Actually, when I went to this beach, I feel like I was in Vietnam. This city called Da Nang. Yeah, that city is very amazing. So anyway, let's go. Here we go. Wow. One thing I like about China is any place you go, you will see police. So the security here is very tight, that everyone can walk freely. Yeah. So the beach is here. That's amazing. Some bars here only open at night, and here at this side, I don't know if this car is a promotion of car. Yeah, this is a small Chinese car for sale, and here is like event center for people to organize barbecue and event to come to chill around the beach here. So anyways, we are at the beach. I hope you guys are ready to see. Yeah, this is Weihai International Beach. Yeah, you can see the population. People are here enjoying. Wow. Chinese people really like enjoyment. Yeah, because I'm doing this video today is Sunday, so many Chinese people are off work, maybe. Yeah, let's see this together. That's very amazing. And here people are having their own small beach home where you can relax. And this is beach activities. If you want boat, you pay the people. Wow. You can see the beach from each angle. Wow, this is the sun reflection, which is really beautiful. This city is very wonderful, very amazing, very beautiful. But the funny part is that many people don't know about this city, even foreigners living in China. And for me, I feel very lonely, even to see one foreigner, at least you can communicate. But coming here alone and going alone, yeah, it's something else. The view from the beach is amazing. You can get to see this kind of buildings and this kind of designs while you are enjoying the beach. Last time when I come here, the beach was very clean and everything was perfect. So I don't know, is it because today is Sunday? I don't know what happened here. Wow. And you can see there is a music playing and there is a small bar. Many activities are going on. Wow. If you enjoyed this video, we need to end this video here. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know your guys' suggestion. I'll catch you guys in another vlog in another city. Peace out.